Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Helps again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your JetBlue business card account from your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to log into your JetBlue business card account from your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in card and type in Barclay card us.com like this and hit enter, or you can simply search for JetBlue business card login on the Google itself, and you can see the cards.barclaycardus.com on the first result of Google itself. Click over there, and from over here we are on the home page of Barclay. But to log into our JetBlue business card, we'll be required to click on the credit cards of the home page on Barclay Card US. Click on credit cards like this, but this is the direct login page of JetBlue from the Google itself. Now if you want to log into your JetBlue business card from this page, you can see the login option available over here. But if you have not yet created a JetBlue business card, simply click on apply now to go through a procedure to create an account on JetBlue business card. Now to log into your JetBlue business card account from the home page, we are on here. When you click on credit cards, now when we scroll down, we'll need to find it, and when we scroll down, you can see the JetBlue business card available over here. Click there and let's let the page load, and you can see both of these pages are same. Let's close one of these. Now to log into your JetBlue business card account, let's click on login on the top right corner, and you can directly log in to your JetBlue business card from over here. And you will be required to enter your username and your password over here on the empty sections, and click on login to sign into your JetBlue business card account. Or if you have forgotten your username or password, simply click on forgot username or password over here to retrieve which one did you lost. And there guys, this is how you log into your JetBlue business card account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.